A chef taught me this farofa that'll steal the show at your Christmas dinner. Start with a pan. Add 200 g bacon, 1 TBSP butter, mix on low heat until bacon is crispy. When it's releasing fat, add 1 chopped onion, 3 crushed garlic cloves, and fry well. Now add black pepper, smoked paprika, 1 TBSP butter, and mix again. Add 1 can of corn, some olives, and give it a quick stir. I used pre-made farofa, but you can use flour if you prefer. Mix it all together. For a special touch, add parsley, chives, and optionally fried garlic. And there you have it, folks. Your farofa is ready. Just look at how amazing it looks. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. It'll be a hit at Christmas dinner, this melt-in-your-mouth farofa. Hope you enjoyed this recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.